Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in this short video I'd like to show you how you can cut around curves in the ceiling here with wallpaper. So if you're wallpapering a room and you come to a curve such as this one here behind me, in this video I'll be showing you how you can quite quickly and easily cut nice and tight into that curve. Okay, so if you're doing some wallpapering and you come across a curve, so as you can see on my ceiling here, it curves down where the end of the roof goes. It has a curve in it and you want to cut around this curve, and you can see I've pushed the paper up flush with the top of the ceiling. It's coming over for excess. Around down this part of the wall here, there's excess there to cut off. But how do you cut around this curve without it all bunching up? So what you want to do is just get the paper on the wall first and get it as flat as you can and level. I've got a plumb line here already drawn, so I know it's level. And you want to start with your wallpaper brush and just push it nice and tight up inside the corner. I'm going to start off in that corner. So then you want to get a pencil. If you've got a coloured paper, then you might want to just use like something hard, the end of something, just to score the paper so that you can see where to cut it so that it doesn't leave a mark. But I'm just using this very light pencil, and I'm going to paper this. I'm going to paint this paper later on anyway. But you start off in this corner, get this corner tight, use the edging tool to push into the corner like so. Go as high up as you can without damaging anything. Next thing you want to do is get the pencil and put it into that corner like so. So you've got your line there. The next thing you can do then is get your scissors and start pulling away this corner. So what we're going to do first is I'm going to start cutting this line. So I'm pulling the paper away and I'm going to start cutting along that line that I've made. Cut on the inner side of the line so that it doesn't leave a pencil mark if you can, but cut up this line to where we've gone to, which is about, let's say about here, and then we can pull this down a bit more. And all you need to do now is just, it's like a relief cut, so you need to just continue that thickness all the way up like so, just by eye. It's about there. Just get rid of that excess. Now with your brush, go back in, push it back up against that corner, and as you can see, I'm now tight into that corner. So what you can then do is push the rest of the paper into the crease or the curve, like so. Pushing into that curve, as you can see, nice and tight, and there's no bunching of the paper. Just get it nice and tight in there. Score it a bit nice and tight. Now what you want to do is go back in with the pencil, and when you're going up towards the ceiling, you don't want to go this way with the pencil. No horizontal lines. You want to go vertical, and that way you won't cut too short. If you go vertical up, and again push into that corner to get your curve. This is a light pencil. In particular, it's Stedler 170 HB2. That's the one I'm using. And again, now what we can do is peel away the paper and follow that pencil line around. You can see the pencil line here. Try to cut on the inside of the pencil line so that you don't have a pencil mark left. Get some nice sharp scissors when you're doing this, because the paper is soft. Working our way around. I mean, you could pull this paper right off if you wanted to, but I think it's better to just pull as little off as you can to prevent it all flopping down. As you can see now, I'm nearly there. last bit. So that's the excess cut. Now we go back in with the wallpaper brush again, push it all up nice and tight to that curve. And now, as you can see, the paper is nice and contoured, matching the curve of the ceiling. So don't worry, it's not too difficult to do. Just start off by getting the paper on the wall, getting it nice and plumb, doing a plumb line either by using a plumb bob or a spirit level or a laser level, whatever that might be. And have a bit of excess in the top and in the corner and in the skirting board so that you've got material to work with. Get the air bubbles out first with the brush, flatten everything out, and then start working your way up around this corner. Don't try to do from here all the way down to here in one go, because you'll find that it bunches up. So start off at the edge and then cut the rest of the paper upward in the same trajectory, and then you can start on the curve. As you can see, when you scribe it in with the pencil, you get a really accurate cut which matches the contour of the ceiling curving down. So here's a close-up look now. We're following that plumb line. There's a bit of a pencil mark here, but that's fine. I'll cork this in as well later on, but you can see it's nice and flat to the wall. It's following that curve down into the corner. Okay, so that's about it then for this video. So there you have it, a nice clean curve cut in the wallpaper to match the curve in the ceiling. If you did find this video useful, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.